Welcome to our latest Wandering Walks of Wonder adventure. Today we're taking a captivating journey through time at the National Frontier Trails Museum in Independence, Missouri. In this Missouri, we're going to step into the past and immerse ourselves into the rich history of America's westward expansion as we guide you through this remarkable museum. Exploration of the West began in the early 19th century with the Corps of Discoveries led by Meriwether Lewis and William Clark. This expedition, commissioned by President Thomas Jefferson, set out in 1804 to explore the newly acquired Louisiana Purchase. In this museum, we'll take a look at some of the tools and items used on that expedition, as well as look at some of the challenges they faced, the friendships they forged with Native American tribes, and the scientific contributions that made this journey pivotal. At the end of the Lewis and Clark expedition, more and more fur trappers and mountain men started moving into the West. Here we take a look at that world of rugged individualism and survival in the wilderness. These are some of the tools as well as Native American artifacts that were discovered during that period of time. One of the most fascinating epics in American history is the overland migration across the western United States during the mid-19th century. Thousands of wagon trains slowly snake their way along rugged trails, crossing wind-swept prairies, barren deserts, and formidable mountain ranges. The pioneer adventurers faced severe weather, accidents, deadly plagues, and many other dangers to seek trade, new homes, and opportunities in the West. As we go through this exhibit, we'll take a look at this extraordinary saga, which ranks as the largest voluntary overland mass migration in the history of the world. The three principal trails which crossed the West were the Santa Fe, Oregon, and California trails. The Santa Fe Trail, which began in 1821, was a 900-mile foreign trade route unique in American history due to its overland rather than seafaring commerce. The 2,000-mile Oregon Trail began to be heavily traveled in 1843 by settlers wanting to establish new homes in the Northwest, while others split off the equally long and grueling California Trail to seek their fortunes in the goldfields. Still others went west to pursue religious freedom, like the Mormons who traveled to Utah beginning in 1846. Together, these rugged pathways and their pioneers changed the face and history of America. This particular exhibit takes a look at the Santa Fe Trail, which was one of the earliest trails that began in 1821. Here you see many of the artifacts and exhibits related to life on the Santa Fe Trail. There's an important reason why the National Frontier Trails Museum is here at Independence, Missouri, because Independence was the original jumping off point to the west. Independence, Missouri, which was a frontier village of only a few hundred people poised on the edge of the American civilization, was that principal jumping off point for three of these western trails. Independence was founded in 1827, and the town first became the eastern terminus for the Santa Fe Trail and later as an outfitting post for immigrants headed to Oregon and California as well. Every spring, the center of present-day Independence was blanketed by thousands of immigrants, complete with wagons, teams, other livestock, tents, cargo, and supplies. Commotion, confusion, and excitement reigned as wagons were purchased, loaded, and organized into trains headed westward.